Hey everybody, it is March 2024 and this is my February order from Azure Standard. And I'm going to take you into my pantry and show you what's on sale this coming month so you can add it to your cart and save along with me. So this month we got a lot of fresh stuff. We got the mother load of cabbage because it is time to make 7-day sauerkraut. I'll show you how to make this recipe really easy. Go to protectivediet.com. It's a free recipe on there, 7-day sauerkraut, or check out Protective Diet's YouTube channel and you'll find this video demonstration there. So I split this order with a friend that makes sauerkraut along with me, Janice. You know her. And she's going to be making sauerkraut too. I need to pick up some red cabbages because I should have ordered a box of them. I don't know what we were thinking, so that I can make this beautiful anthocyanin-rich ruby raw red sauerkraut. It's a 7-day recipe. Get into the fermentation with me. And I ordered some kumquats, and these are eaten whole. Just pop it in. The outside of the peel is sweet as can be. The inside is as tart as ever. So you want to eat that completely. These are one of the most protective fruits because the protection is in the peel of the citrus. That's why we use the zest of the oranges, the zest of the lemons, the zest of the limes in all our protective recipes. So this orange is a navel orange, and of course I had to get a case of those because Azure Standard's citrus is everything to me. Let's go into my pantry. Okay everybody, I want to show you how I store my popcorn. I love Azure Standard's popcorn, and I want to show you how we eat it oil-free. Just a tip. Reduce the calories of snacks. Whole grain snacks, of course. And this is multicolored popcorn, and I want to show you how to open an Azure Standard bag. I didn't know this for a long time till Jerry showed me. So it has this little pull.
There's also that sign on the bag, right there by your hand.
There's a sign right here. There's a pull tab, and it pulls the string right off. And then I can pour this into, I use 6-gallon buckets because they fit underneath my pantry. I'll show you in there in a minute. Loves to help me with the popcorn. Sit. Oh, and down. Good boy. Okay, so I keep my popcorn handy right here because I keep my popcorn popper right there. This is the tri-colored popcorn. So it has yellow, red, blue popcorn in here. So it looks like it's buttered because of the yellow corn. And I also love their mushroom popcorn. I have that in another bucket. Sometimes I mix them together when I'm feeling wild. But I want to show you my slim down secret. Most of you know I lost 150 pounds on a protective diet, and I cut out the oil and the butter, and that slimmed me down. It was the fat I ate, was the fat I wore. So, a spray bottle with water. This one's a nice glass spray bottle that I love, and salt. So first thing I'm going to do is give them a fine mist of water. That's going to help my salt stick. And I serve this at parties and bring this to the movies with me. That's right. I don't eat that buttery stuff. No way. I don't want to be struggling with inflammation and obesity, morbid obesity, ever again. So that's how we do it. And this is super low calorie, whole grain snack that kids love. They love an air popper. Get one in your life. And you'll find them for $5 or so at a secondhand store. Best place to look. Just make sure it has all 3 pieces. this is often missing. So keep your eyes out for the air poppers. Anytime I see them in a secondhand shop, I pick them up and I give them to friends with a bag of Azure Standards popcorn. They love it. Spray bottle of water, and everybody's got some salt. And Azure Standard has amazing different salts to choose from. So check those out. They're all mineral rich. I'm going to show you inside my pantry and tell you about the sales that are going on for March. So you can add them to your cart. Okay, let's take a look at some of my pantry favorites that are on sale right now, March 2024. And one of the first ones is Lotus Foods makes a forbidden rice. It's on sale. I only buy this when it's on sale because it's one of the more high-ticket items in my pantry, and it makes a rice bowl spectacular. I love to mix this black rice with brown rice, either short grain or long grain, and this month Azure Standard's long grain brown rice is on sale. It's the basmati brown rice. Excuse me, let me be clear. It's the basmati brown rice. So I added a lot to my cart and I'll be stocking up on that. I keep it in a big 6-gallon bucket down here. And then I refill my canister for easy access up here. And then another sale, which was just on sale last month, in January, was these jalapeno nacho slices. I love them. I found out I love the hot better than the mild. I put a case of the hot in my cart for March 2024 shopping, and because they're on sale again. So the mild, the difference here is the hot has the seeds. The mild, they remove the seeds from. I ferment a lot of jalapeno slices in the summer when my garden is producing, but I'm all out of them. So now I'm going to rely on you and your supply and your sale, Azure Standard. Thank you. I love these on rice bowls, on burritos. Oh my gosh, I could put them on pasta. I put them on everything. Potatoes. Oh, my diet's a starch-based diet. It's starch heavy, low fat, starch-based. That's how I did it. Okay, so these kinds of things are excellent to spice things up and flavor things up if I'm not using my own fermented foods. These diced tomatoes are on sale this month. I have a lot of them in the basement. I stocked up on them on the last sale, so I won't be adding them because I need to get through my canning that I did from my garden this summer. I have a lot of applesauce, a lot of tomatoes in the basement too, and apricot puree. Oh my gosh, that was a winner. But oh my gosh, Azure Standard, you're all over my pantry. I love your products, and I hope this video is helpful to all of you to pick up some of their sale items. Try something new this coming month and save with me and Azure Standard. One more tip I almost forgot was these labels on the Azure Standard bulk bags come off beautifully. And then I like to put them on my canisters for the labels. You could even put the nutritional information or suggestions that come on those labels. It's on the back side, right there. So all my buckets are labeled like a pro, like an Azure Standard Pro. That's right. And the bags make the best fire start. Take care.
And back to health.